This video forms part of a larger series of videos which walks you through how to use Zotero to manage your library and your references in Word. Links to the rest of the videos in the series are pasted in the description below. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your library in Zotero. One thing Zotero is useful for is to actually help you keep track of your documents in a central place. Many people read PDFs that are in random places on their computer, and when they need to find the information, when they are actually writing, they don't know where to find it. Zotero basically helps you to manage this process and keeps all your documents in a central repository. If you need to search for an author or a piece of information or a note that you may have made on your document, you can find it in your library. One of the tools that Zotero has to organize your documents is the collection tool. So you can add various collections within your library and then add references to that collection. I usually use collections when I'm reading about a particular theoretical framework, for instance. Then I will name my collection after that framework and then add all my references that speaks to that framework to that collection. Sometimes you might want to add collections for articles. So if you're working on a particular article and you just want to see the references related to that article, you can also create a collection. So you can really get creative with how you want to organize your library. I'm just going to create an example collection, and I'm going to click on new collection and call it example collection. So once you've created your collection, you'll see a folder added to this right-hand pane. Right now, I don't have any references in it, so it is empty. I can drag and drop references into it. If I do that, you'll see that those references will now show up in this collection. This does not mean, though, that these references are removed from your central library. It just means that if you want to look at documents that are specifically added to this example collection, you can easily do so by going to this folder. And when we now go to the unfiled items folder, you'll see the remaining 3 references that we have that don't belong to any collections. So basically, if you want to make sure that all your references are filed somewhere specifically, you can use this unfiled items tab to search for those documents that don't belong to any folders. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to annotate the PDF documents that you've now added to your Zotero library.